introduce yourself as
Hi, I'm Gautami from Imagine Panjim Smart City. I'm Assistant Manager Civil over here. I've been working for quite a long time. Uh,
So, madam, what exactly and what is the progress of the football ground at Kampal, which you have seen coming under your this Smart City project?
yes, we have almost completed the project, but however, there are some uh, components which are yet to be completed. Moreover, it's just not a ground. We have a football ground with a natural turf. Also, we have a very big amphitheater, sit out, and we have a pavilion building. So in that pavilion building, we have changing rooms, we have a restaurant, we have office spaces, and apart from that, we have parking spaces also, dedicated parking spaces for two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Then we have green charging stations over there. Then apart from that, we have a very big multifunctional lawn, a senior citizen park, and we also planted more than 300 fruit-bearing trees. If you go over there, you can see many trees being planting, which are very like thriving right now. And then we have a special component which is children's play area, similar to what we have Miramar, maybe more advanced, and we have an outdoor gym special spaces over there.
And the people see it, the ground is almost ready, and they say it is not
Yeah.
inaugurated yet. So, what is the reason this?
It's almost complete, but we that still some component needs to be completed, and we need some specialized equipment which are yet to be delivered. And the space is been little bit used for some other project also, like some other purpose. But it should be completed by end of this year or at the most like next few months, 2 months. It should be inaugurated very soon, hopefully.
Regarding this facilities, it will be one of the unique.
Yes,
place
actually,
in
yes,
Panjim.
correct. In Panjim, we don't have a dedicated football ground as of now. If we go to play, we have a special area which will be dedicated to kids, like children's play area. Then we have, in the same premises, we have a senior citizen park where seniors can come and sit when their kids are playing. Again, we have an outdoor gym area which will be dedicated to the exercise, the people who come for exercise, and all. It's going to be free for all. It's going to be a public place where people can actually come and do recreational space. As in,
I have seen also the mask lights there. It will be a floodlight.
floodlight, yeah, we do have. So as we know, we have lot of football enthusiastic in Goa. So it's completely dedicated for them. We have cricket ground across the road, but we don't have a dedicated football ground. So this is one of a kind in Panjim as of now.
So it will be getting ready. You said in another few months.
Yes, 2-3 months. I think it should be inaugurated by end of March, probably.
And you
Yeah.
also spoke about restaurants.
Yes.
Can you deliberate on more on
We
that?
have a space allotted for that, but it depends on who is going to take it up.
Okay,
We
it
are
will be
working on the
auction
10,
after
yeah,
that.
maybe lease out or something. We are working on that, but we have a space dedicated to that.
Capacity is what about the ground?
Yeah, we
regarding-
have 1,000 capacity sitting area dedicated for that football ground. So we can have a normal match, football match, or we can have a league match of a league, and then everything can be done. So 1,000 capacity, quite a big number where we can have a sitting. This thing.
all on top also.
On top, if
and
you go
plus,
there-
down also you can have
Down,
some-
we have. I forgot to mention that. So a wheelchair, yes, disabled friendly. So a wheelchair can directly come, and they have a separate sitter on the ground floor itself. They can directly go and see there. So it's one of disabled friendly stadium, you can say, altogether.
for them also. The
Yes,
separate
we have
rooms are
given.
given.
Yeah, we have done all the provision. There is ramp. There is a ramp which is coming inside the building. There is a ramp which goes to the spectator gallery. So if we have a separate gallery out there, and on top also.
So it's a 1,000 capacity.
Yes,
seating
1,000
stadium.
capacity sitter stadium, you can say, yes.